This product's price does change often. Be sure and check out the link down below in the description to see what kind of price you can get for it. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this set of 3 flashlights. Now, before we jump in and talk about the flashlights, I did just want to show you here that each one of them comes with their own charging cable here, so if you did plan on giving these flashlights away, you could also give them their own charging cable. This is just a simple USB-C to USB-A charging cable here, and if we take a look at the flashlight, you can see up at the top next to the power button, we actually have a little flap. You can go ahead and pull that back and reveal the USB-C port where you'll plug the charging cable into the flashlight. Now, the flashlight itself is made of a nice heavy-duty metal. It feels nice and strong, and just overall a nice high-quality flashlight. I did want to point out that there is a zoom feature on this flashlight, so you can actually pull up on the top of the flashlight or push down on it, and it will adjust how widespread the light is. Now, I'll show you that in just one moment, but the last thing I just wanted to point out is they all include a wrist or hand strap there, which is really nice to have as well. Now, to go ahead and turn on the flashlight, we simply just push the power button there, and you'll notice we've got our nice widespread light here, but if I go ahead and want to tighten it up, I can just simply push up, and it will tighten up the beam, and then pull back to spread the beam again. Now, I did want to mention there are 3 modes here, so if I go ahead and actually push that, it will turn it back off, but if we push the power button and turn it on, and then push it again, it will actually go into a dim mode. Now, they claim you can get about 15 hours of battery life in this dim mode, which is really impressive. And if you push it one more time, it will go into a flashing light mode. Now, I'm not going to show that here on the camera, but it will kind of blink and flash as a flashing light. Now, overall, I've been really impressed with these flashlights. I think they're really nice and high quality. I really like that there are 3 charging cables, and for that reason, I would highly recommend them. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.